Microsoft is an IT company based in Washington, America. Founded in 1975, Microsoft develops and supports software, services, devices, and solutions that deliver new value for customers and help people and businesses realize their full potential. Microsoft offers an array of services, including cloud-based solutions that provide customers with software, services, platforms, and content. And Microsoft provides solution support and consulting services. Microsoft also delivers relevant online advertising to a global audience. Its products include operating systems, cross-miners device productivity applications, server applications, business solution applications, desktop and server management tools, software development tools, and video games. Microsoft also designs and sells devices including PCs, tablets, gaming, and entertainment consoles, other intelligent devices, and related accessories. These three pictures are the financial sheet of Microsoft fiscal year 2021. They are the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, which can be downloaded from the Microsoft Investor website or SEC web. From the balance sheet, we can see that asset equals liability plus equity, in which total assets reported on the most recent balance sheet is $333,779 million. Total liabilities reported on the most recent balance sheet is $191,791 million, and total stockholders' equity reported on the most recent balance sheet $141,988 million. For asset depreciation, property and equipment are stated at costless accumulated depreciation and depreciated using the straight minus line method of the shorter of the estimated useful life of the asset or the lease term. The estimated useful lives of property and equipment are generally as follows. Computer software developed or acquired for internal use, 3 to 7 years. Computer equipment, 2 to 4 years. Buildings and improvements, 5 to 15 years. Leasehold improvements, 3 to 20 years. And furniture and equipment, 1 to 10 years. The land is not depreciated. We can find that book value of asset equals initial cost minus depreciation, in which the depreciation expense that the company report on its income statement is $51,351 million. The initial cost of the company's fixed assets is $122,154 million, and the book value of the company's fixed asset is $70,803 million. For intangible assets, we can find that intangible asset equals goodwill plus other intangible assets, in which goodwill is accountable for $49,711 million, and another intangible asset is accountable for $78 million. Besides, long-term debt generally refers to a company's loan and other liabilities that will not become due within 1 year, which in Microsoft is $50,074 million. For the income statement, the total revenues reported on the most recent income statement is $168,088 million. And after deducting costs and expenses, the net income reported on the most recent income statement is $61,271 million. For share analysis, the par value per share of each class of stock is 0.00000625 par value per share, and the market price of the stock outstanding in February the 22nd, 2022 is 287.93 per share. During the past fiscal year, the highest price for the Microsoft showed in October the 19th, 2021, which is 342.4, while the lowest price showed in January the 6th, 2021, which is 210.045. Additionally, the cash dividends paid for each share of stock during the past year is 2.24 per share. For ratio analysis, we can divide into three parts: liquidity, solvency, and profitability. For liquidity, firstly, working capital equals current asset minus current liability equals 95,749 million. Secondly, current ratio equal current assets divide current liabilities equal 2.0800. Thirdly, quick ratio equal cash plus accounts receivable and then divide current liabilities, which is 1.8992. Fourthly, accounts receivable turnover equal sales divide average accounts receivable, which is 4.7988. Fifthly, numbers of days sales in receivable equal average accounts receivable divide average daily sales, which is 75.0188. For solvency, the solvency ratio equals fixed assets divided by long-term liabilities, which is 1.1925. For profitability, firstly, earnings per share equals net income minus preferred dividends, and then divide the average number of common shares outstanding is 8.12 per share. Secondly, the price-earnings ratio equals price divide EPS, which is 115.172. Thirdly, asset turnover equals sale divided by average total assets, which is 0.5293. Thank you for watching.